patches on everything. I have to pull it up. But because it has snowflakes, it wins. Okay, for this look, very good look for using a, first of all, I'm going to use a more mauve color. This is Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink and Color Ruler. Maybe, oh, I can't do a song. That's right, because YouTube will have a look out. Okay. If you start to recognize that song, don't say that you did. Y'all, this is too red. This is way too red. It just made that go instant pink. Look how that's more mauve until now. Now it looks peach. I don't want that. I don't want it. Okay, so we're going to try something else. I have this, which is from CoverGirl. And it is called, what is the color? Y'all, it's 740. I cannot read it. 740 is the number. They make these so small. They got to come up with a better way. Okay, so this is a very blue pink, and I'm going to go right over this red. Yeah. It still is making that look very peach. Maybe it's because it is peach, but y'all saw it's not. We did purple. Oh. If I'd have put on my usual rust tone, that would have looked mauve. It's because I'm using these blue tones that it's making that look warm. Okay. I have no idea how this is going to do today because I just mixed two products that I don't know what their standing is. Like, I don't know how long these last. What do y'all think of that color? Do you like it? Okay. Alright, snowflakes, stay out of the collar. You're supposed to be snowy looking. We're trying to bring the snow by just hoping. That's not how it works, I know. Y'all, that is the color. I thought this would have a gloss on the other end. That's it. That's interesting. I don't know how that's going to do throughout the day. Okay. I need a short shader to get me some liner going underneath my eyes. Do y'all like that color? I'm going to use the purpley as you can get color. And we're going to just go straight through the lash. That is weird. There has got to be something else on this. Hold on. That came out rust. That is purple. See, I must not have wiped off this short shader. It probably needs a good cleaning. Because there is no way that is truly that color. No way. I try it again. That is the weirdest, y'all. Do you see that that is not purple? It's probably a little more purple than the first time. Maybe it was because there's something still in the brush. See, that's why you should brush your... I mean, not brush your teeth. You really should brush your teeth, though. Oh my gosh, look. That is bringing a rusty peach color. And that looks rusty peach right there. And yet, y'all, in the palette, this is a very cool tone. Or it looks that way to me. I wonder what it looks like on film. Because lighting is everything. And sometimes what I'm seeing with my eye, y'all may be looking at it going, looks peach to me. To me, it looks purple. Till I get it on, and then it's like got a peach. I mean, it's purpley, but it's got a peach undertone. I'm going to go right through the lashes with this. Just stamping the lashes with this color, and all it does is just fill in behind the lashes a little bit. What if I went through my brow with this color? Is it that purpley? Oh, it is. I'm going to just add a little purple in my brow. Yeah. I'll put brown. Don't worry. For those of you going, she did not do that. I did. Okay. Now, I have some fallout, so I'm going to use a dual fiber brush. That just means, if you'll see, there's two different kind of fibers. They've got them different colors. And that's the best thing to use to flick off. You don't want to rub in. Just flick off little fallouts. Like on this little crux to your nose right there, sometimes on the side of your nose bone, and underneath. I feel like everything smells today. I wonder if it's my nose. And do you know what? The other day, I was looking for my powder, my face powder, and I'd taken it out of my purse because everything was so heavy. Of course I needed it. Of course. I needed it. Oh, this is so pretty. It's going to be so pretty sitting on my vanity. I'm excited. Watch them get rid of it. I need to probably go buy another one, but it's not cheap. How much was it? I think it was $70, which is not